how to fix Zoom connecting problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Zoom connecting problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Zoom and then click on it, and here we'll find storage. Click storage and now click clear cache, and after that just go back to force stop here and then go to data usage, and here you can fix your problem. Just allow all of those here: background, Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.